Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. So, August 27th, I am doing, August 27th, I'm doing a financial education class. I'm going to be talking about credit. I'm going to be talking about business credit. Talking about lines of credit. I'm going to be talking about e-commerce, Amazon, Walmart, Shopify, Facebook Marketplace, right? So it's going to be like a 3-hour masterclass, okay? Now, for you guys on the internet, you can get it for $20 for virtual. And if you were at the pop-up, the Black Expo this weekend, you can get it for $49. Everybody else has to pay $97. If you wasn't there, you got to pay $97. Now, the people that are interested, okay, the people that are interested, right, in attending the in-person, which is in New York City. So, of course, you got to be in the 5 boroughs. I don't expect people to come travel for the masterclass, but you have until the end of this week, okay, to save $50 to do it for $49, okay? After today, after this week, if you wasn't at the pop-up, you're gonna have to pay $97, which is still worth it. A $97 masterclass that you're gonna learn some real strategies, some things that I'm gonna show you how to do that you can take to the bank to excel your business or even starting a business. So I'm allowing people to get in. I only can take about 40 people, well, 30 people. So you go to the link below, you sign up, right? You get your registrations free, right? If you want to do the virtual, it's $19, right? You get inside the group. It's a Facebook group. On that day, I will be live in that group, so it will be recorded so you can have it. I'll have someone there so they can also, you be answering questions if you have any. But if you are in the New York area and you were at my Black Expo, you have until the ending of this week, which is like the 5th or the 6th, whatever the ending of this week is, which is Saturday. You have until then to pay your $49 to do in person. After that, it's $97 if you were not at the Black Expo. If you were at the Black Expo, you can do $49 until I fill up. Okay, so that's how I'm doing that one. For the people, just another way for me to give back, help people understand, because I've learned some things in my life. I've learned some things about money. I've learned some things about time. I've learned some things about some freedom. So I want to be able to give back, and $50 is really pennies to the knowledge that I'm about to drop. $97 is pennies to the knowledge that I'm going to drop on you. People want to spend $97 on nails and don't get no education. People want to spend $97 on wigs and don't get an education. People want to spend $97 or $1,000 on a belt and don't get any education. So we got to start valuing ourselves. And the only way to value yourself and the only way to add value to the world, guys, is if you start putting money into yourself. Books, coaches, audios, CDs, courses, events, time, listening to audios, reading books, actually taking time to go through courses. This is how it works, friends. Okay? In order to be great, right, you got to be that person of value. Don't nobody want to be next to somebody who ain't about nothing. Don't nobody want to be around bums. And this is the real facts. So click on the link below, and I'll see you guys in class.